Okay, last thing I'm going to show you today is how to write the equation given some information. So here, I'm given the vertex is 0, 4 and a point 1, 3. So they give me, kind of on here, they gave me a vertex and a point and they want me to write the equation. So, how do we do that? Well, let's start with vertex form. Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Well, do I know any of these values? Well, a is the width. Doesn't look like they tell me the width. And h and k is the vertex. Hey, they tell me that. This is h, this is k. So I already know this number and this number. So now all I really need to know is a, because I need to know a, h, and k. H and k I know, a I don't. Well, I'd like to be able to find it. Well, I have two other variables here, x and y. Do I have an x and y? I do, right here. This is an x, this is a y. So I can use those. So if I plug in these four values for y, x, h, and k, the only variable I'm left with is a, and I'll be able to find out what my width is. So what's y? Y is 3 equals a times what's x? X is 1 minus h, h is 0 squared plus what's k? K is 4. So here, got all numbers except for a, so let's do the algebra. Let's do the parentheses and powers. 1 minus 0 is 0 squared. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 times a is just 1a. Plus the 4 at the end. Hey, this is algebra 1. I can subtract the a over, and a equals -1. So now I know what a is. I know a, h, and k. I can write my final equation. So y equals -1 x minus your h is 0 squared plus k was 4. So there's the equation, my parabola, and I could clean that up just a little bit because x minus 0 is just x, so this is y equals -1, -1x, this is just -1x squared plus 4. Okay. So negative x squared plus 4, that's the equation of your parabola. Now, how do we know whether we're right? Well, we've got our best friend here. Let's go to y equals, let's clear that out. Let's put -1 x squared plus 4 into the calculator. Let me hit graph. I got a parabola. The question is that the right parabola? Well, it should be going through this point and this point. Well, let me go to my table. Second graph is 0, 4 in my table. Oh yeah, look, it's right there. Is 1, 3, 1, 3. So the 2 points that we're supposed to go through, it does, and it is a parabola, so I know I'm correct. So here's your equation. Y equals -x squared plus 4. Okay?